Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just really wanted to quickly come on and show you guys I use the Sally Hansen Crayola Insta Dry Metallic Sunburst, you can see, and I did a quick job, y'all, so please excuse the non-cleanup and kind of messy, quick, crappy, short nail job because I have to be to work in a few minutes and my fingers are greasy because I have on my Rebecca Madison Cuticle Oil Superstar. But if y'all can see, this is how they turned out. It's more light. Not too bad. It's a really bright yellowish gold color. I like the color, but I think I would like it better on just a couple of accent nails, maybe for some nail art. And I actually think that this polish will be good for stamping. Hold on. Oh. Okay, yeah, I think this polish should be good for stamping because it's really thick. Not super thick, but it's a thick formula. I could have got away with one coat, but I used two because since I was rushing, I had missed a few spots, and so I went over it again. I don't know why this is so blurry. You can't even really see. This one is the middle finger is starting to bubble at the top. I don't know why that's happening, but it's bubbling. But yeah, I was rushing, so I went over it with two coats to kind of go over the missing spots that I did. But I could have got away with one coat because it's thick enough. But I do think it's going to be great for stamping. It's not showing up that good, but I like it. I think if I can find like a pretty purple or pink, I would like that much better to wear on all fingers. This just isn't a gold that I would wear on all fingers by itself. I usually don't do my nails all one color. I usually always do an accent nail, but since I'm rushing, I just slapped it on. I didn't do a top coat because I want you guys to see exactly how it looked after I got done finishing it. And like, you know, you can see a bit of sparkle. My lighting is just so terrible, you can't really tell, but it does have a nice like little sparkle to it. The only thing I put on it was my Sally Hansen Beauty Secret nail polish spray. You spray it across your nails to help your nails dry faster. But when I get done with the video, I'm going to put my Seche V on top, and I'm thinking of maybe adding a little bit of a hollow top coat. I'm not sure yet. Depends on how much time I have. But yeah, I just don't like it on all the nails. I don't know. And it may be my skin color. It just doesn't really go well with my skin color. I think it's a bit too yellowishy, goldy. It's so hard to see, but I'll try to take a couple pictures and post a couple pics so y'all can get a better view. I don't know why my camera is blurry at the moment. Thanks a lot. But yeah, that was the, turn this off, the Sally Hansen Crayola Metallic Insta Dry. Let's see, now it may be too dark. Still blurry for some reason. But all in all, I give it, out of 5 stars, I give it a 3. I want to say. I may have to try a couple more and see how I like it, but I say about a 3 or 4. I really think it's going to be a good stamping polish. So yeah, that's it. You guys, don't forget to read my description box. I always leave my discount code for Rebecca and Madison's. They have some of the best cuticle oils and hand lotions. Y'all always know I always talk about that. So be sure to check out my description box. If I remember, I will put my discount code in the video as well. But yeah, that's it. Thank y'all for watching. Stay subscribed. I know I'm so behind. I'm going to get with y'all on more videos because I have more stuff to share with you guys. I've been so busy, so stick it out with me. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and I will see y'all in the next video soon.